Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you a smart SME management system. In this video, I'm going to concentrate on the first part, and that will be on production costs. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to log in and then we get started. So this is the main dashboard. It gives us a breakdown of the production cost that is computed for particular products. Okay, you can see the packaging materials and the labor usage of that. Okay, so let's see how to do that. So we click on production cost. So first of all, what we'll do is to add the product that we produce. Okay, so I click on add product and then type the name of the product that we produce. So I'm going to type maybe something like let's see, ram kebab. Ram bacon is okay for me, and I'll pick a picture for that one. So this is just sample pictures that I'm just going to upload, and I'll describe the product. This is a picture. This is a ram product, bacon product. Okay. So any other description that you have for that product, and you give estimated cost for preparing such products. So you want to prepare such a product and you want to see the estimated cost, so you can just put estimated cost for that one. Let's say 4,000, and you add the product. So you can add more products to that with the estimated cost. The next is to add the packaging items that you use to package these items. Okay, so let's click on packaging items, and then we can take something like a paper wrapper, and then it is a paper, and the cost per one, let's say it is 5 cedis, and then per one. So you click on add package, so you can add more of that one. Next, we're going to look at how to add raw materials. Okay, so let's see the raw materials. Maybe we have red pepper spices per one sack. Pack, let's say it is 15 cedis, and you add it. So then next we are adding the labor that we need to produce a product. Okay, so we can have those who are in charge of delivery. So per one person, maybe the cost could be 25 Ghana cedis, or you can say 50 Ghana cedis. So you add to that one. Then you look at the factory overhead, so things that you might incur. So let's say we add something like water bills, maybe 500 cedis, and other factory overhead that you may incur when you are producing such product. Okay, then we now do the production cost. So let's compute that. So what you do here is that you select the product that you want to produce here. Okay, so let's say we're using the ram bacon, and now we come here, the raw materials that we need to do that, we need and definitely we can add maybe the meat here. That's maybe the ram meat that we need here. So if you're adding the raw materials, you can add that one here. So let me just pick something like I need Maggi, and I need like 10 of that, and then add more. I need maybe red pepper spices, then maybe I need 15 of that. So you can just keep adding if you are okay with that. I've already added Maggi, so let me take green spices, and I need like 10 of that. So if you're okay with this, then you move to the next one and check if you need labor to be used. So the kind of labor you need, I will need a bone crusher, about 2 of them, and then I will need maybe delivery boys, about 3 of them. Then the next one is the factory overhead, what you incur. Definitely they can be water bill or electricity bill. So let's just pick something here. I just assume that we will incur water bill, so we leave it as one quantity. And then packaged, or you can add more of that one as well. You can say maybe property tax will come in. Then packaging materials that you'll be using, so you can use this one. Maybe you need 60 of them, and then the other one, maybe box, you may need 10 of that one. Then when you are done with the last one, you can go over these ones to be sure that you are okay. So when you come back to the last one, then you save the production cost for that one. So this is the what we just did here, and it gives us the details here, and the total cost is going to be 6,090 Ghana cedis. So that is the production cost for a product. You can filter products by their names here. You can filter, you select it and then filter here, so it gives you, so there's no item for this. Let me pick another one and filter. So these are the items of chicken sausage as we've done their computation, and you can see the total cost will definitely differ based on the type, what you've produced. Okay, now you can export all of it, so you can filter by all of them, and you can export the spreadsheet or the CSV file. So you can click on export and it will export it here to download it. So if you are using maybe Chrome what do you call it, browser, you see it there. So let's see what we got here. So I have the list here of all everything that have been I've computed for the products with their total cost down here. Okay, so the last thing about production cost is you can edit it from here by going over the items and then you select them over again. So you can select and then change, maybe you are changing it to this one, okay, and over and over. So that's what you can do. Okay, then let's go back. So you click on to update it. So go back to production cost. So basically that is it for the production costs. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye for now.